Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to share with you exactly how to create an Interactive Brokers account. So all you got to do is got to click on open account and click on start an application. So after you start an application, please click on opening an individual account, right? So click on start application and the system will actually prompt you to create an email address, put in your email address, username and password. So once you actually complete this already, just follow the instructions. Once it's complete already, they'll send you an email to verify your email address, right? So once you click on verify account, it will actually come to this page. Alright, so you just got to log in. And once you actually log in, I'm going to show you step by step how to actually create it. Alright, so you come onto this page and the customer type, please choose individual. Alright, how do you hear about us? It doesn't really matter. And click on save and continue. And I'm going to share with you step by step exactly what you got to fill in. Alright, so very simply just put in your details. Alright, put in your details. Very simply just put in your basic personal information, just some things for you to note. Under your identification, your tax residency, you're from Singapore and Singapore does not have a tax identification number, so click on no and just click on Singapore does not issue TIN to its residents. Alright, your employment status, let's say for example you're employed, you just put in whatever your thing is. And your source of wealth, please click on, let's say for example, income from employment, right? And then what you want to do is this, your account type, please choose margin, right? So very, very important, please take note, choose margin. And following that, please choose your security question. And once that is done already, you come on to number 2. This is where there's important information. Please regulatory information. If this is no, click on no. So account holder, director, no. Your annual net income, this is pretty important, and just my suggestion is, if you happen to have zero income, please select that you have some form of income. Alright, if you don't select that you have some form of income, they'll make it very difficult for you to actually open your account, right? So please select that you have ample, liquid net worth, and net worth. And for investment objectives, please click on trading profits, speculation, and growth. Alright, so under trading permissions, please click on under stocks, please select that you have experience. If you click on no experience, this will make it very, very tough for you, and they will give you a lot of trouble. Alright, so please put it as good knowledge and select the locations you want to trade. So please specify that you want to trade in the United States and whatever other countries you actually want. Okay, and click on US stocks. And one more thing which is very important is options as well, right? So options, please click on please state that you have experience. Right, please state you have experience, and please choose United States. Very, very importantly. Alright, so you're going to trade US options mainly using IB, so please click on US options. Got it? So once you actually do that, then we click on save and continue. Okay, so we just got to adjust our liquid net worth. So we got to adjust our liquid net worth to 100,000, and I'll just save and continue. Okay, so I'll just select everything properly right now, and I'll save and continue. And once I actually do that, I gotta fill up my details and declare my taxpayer identification number is nothing. Whole Australian tax benefits certified is not a tax resident. We are not a tax resident. So I'll click on no. We're tax resident of Singapore, right? Obviously, and yep. So this is the things that I've got to do. All right. Then I click on I agree. And after clicking on I agree, you will get to this page, right? So please just click on agree for everything. Agree for everything, right? You must sign all this stuff, and then you click on save and continue. All right. And once you actually click on this, you don't have to enroll for any stock yield enhancement program. It's perfectly fine. We can skip this, save and continue. Once you review all information, if it's all correct, you save and continue. And what you gotta do is you just gotta send in your proof of identity, upload this, and please upload your proof of address as well. Alright, so once that is done already, you can actually fund your account. And in the next video which I'll send you, you will actually see exactly how you can fund your account. And that's all you have to do, and it's very simple. So thank you. This is exactly how you do it, step by step.